Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to the latest Pi available version, that is version 087. So let's begin with that. So on my screen you are able to view that photo update for 087 has been already seeded, which is approximately of 604 MB. So before we jump into the installation part, let me show you that at present the currently installed version is 084. So let me confirm you that, and afterward we'll jump to the installation part. So this is the 084 with the security patch level of 5 July 2020. So with the 087 we'll be getting 5 September 2020. So let's begin with that. Now the strangest part is that they have provided 603 MB of update. So if we will go by that, we like Asus has provided us 2 months of update in terms of security, then it should be around 200 MB or at most 250 MB. And even in release note they haven't mentioned anything. So hopefully whenever I'll be getting that, maybe I'll be discussing these parts in the review video itself. So we have just started the downloading process. So according to your mobile data connection, Wi-Fi speed and so on, it will take accordingly. I would say it will take the time accordingly. So let's wait till the time this completes, and afterward we'll install it. And aside to that, I've already created a Delta package related video which I'll be posting in the description section below so that you can go over afterward. So if someone is on 063, then they can also get the benefit using that Delta package. If someone is on 082, then that with 084 and so on. In the same sense, if you are on 63, 82 or 84, you will surely be getting this photo update, but the sizes will vary. So let's wait. So finally the downloading process has been completed. Now it is prompting us to update now. So let me tap it here. Now it will do the integrity check in the background. If everything will be fine, then it will reboot our phone and we'll move to the installation system update wizard and so on. And aside to this, in this particular update, they haven't updated camera to API status. So if you are on legacy, then it will still be on legacy. But if you have already enabled it, then it will be intact. It will be keep on the same. Apart to this, I'll be discussing that point afterwards. So we have successfully moved to the installing system update. Now it will take nearly about 7 to 10 minutes. So on a precautionary note, do not play with volume rocker buttons or neither with your power button. Otherwise, it may lead to soft brick or hard brick. And I was talking that aside to that, the wideband certification, if it is L1 at your side, then it will be L1, but at my side it is L3, and I was anticipating maybe it might change to L1, but it is still L3. So not sure whether it will be now going to change or not at my end. But let's wait till this time this particular system update will be completed, and then we'll be confirming few other things as well. So finally phone has been started after installing the system update. Now it will take nearly about 1 to 2 minutes to successfully log into the boot screen, or I would say home screen. So let's wait till that time. So finally phone has been successfully booted to the home screen, or I would say login screen. Now it is showing finishing system update, and after a while it will show up prompt us that system update successful. So just wait for that particular part. So finally the prompt has been shown like successful system update, successfully updated to this particular version, that is 087. But let me confirm you by moving into the setting sections so that it will be confirmed. So finally we are on version 087 with the security patch level of 5 September 2020. So using photo updater or photo update, we have successfully updated our phone. So this was all from my side related to the finally the photo update has been available for the Android Pie version 087 for our Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.